Channel 1 showcases a variety of contemporary hairstyles, from short and scruffy mullety looks to long, textured, layered haircuts. You will see a combination of many different techniques, razor work and disconnections. Channel 1 sees a minimalist approach to a very structured way to design a haircut, suitable for salon or backstage work. How I call it, solid technique without fuss. Not too many sections, working your way up organically, and mostly embracing the natural texture of the hair. These videos are ideal if you are looking to translate creative ideas into strong techniques and finish it with non-traditional way of styling hair. Enjoy Channel 1 and thank you so much for joining.